Question 24. The expression, okay, all of that, is equivalent to which choice? Now this definitely looks a little intimidating. Most of you guys will probably like to do the store technique. So definitely consider doing the store technique. I am not going to do that right now. You can do that on your own. It will work. There will be only one match. I'm going to do it the real way to show you. There are two ways to break this down the real way. Most of you guys are probably going to do it this way. You're probably going to double distribute that, and then you're probably going to expand that. Power 2 means 2 of them. So that is one way to do it. And I guess I will do it that way first because most of you guys will probably not see the other way you could have done it. So I will do this way first. Okay, so you're going to double distribute. And don't worry about the fractions. You have a calculator. 3 halves times 3 halves is 9/4. And then x and x is x squared. And then 3 halves x times -1 is -3 halves x. Then you have 1 times 3 halves x, which is plus 3 halves x. And then 1 times -1 is -1. Now you can simplify now or you can wait. These two do cross off because they're opposite terms. And then now you have to do these two, but you have to, don't forget, you still have that negative. So I'm going to put that negative here because when I double distribute this, I have to make sure that I negate everything. So this one is really complicated. So I'm going to go ahead and double distribute. All right, and then do it again. Okay, so this guy simplifies. Only thing is these two combine. They're not going to cross each other off because they're both the same sides. And you're going to get, let's see, -3 halves and -3 halves is going to end up being -6 halves, which is 3. But then you have to remember that you have to negate, and this one makes this problem even more difficult, is now you have to bring the negative sign in. Whoops. So you have the original 9/4 x squared minus 1. And then you're going to have a -9/4 x squared. You're going to have a positive 3x and then a -1. So combining like terms, this guy and this guy will cross off. You have 3x, and then the -1 and the -1 make -2. So 24 should be choice 4. That's a lot of work. I know this drawing looks very tempting right now. I'm going to actually show you that it can be done one other way that a lot of you guys probably didn't even think you could do. So I'm going to give myself some room and get rid of that. If you notice, this guy and this guy are the same. So it's kind of like grouping. Both of these have a common group of 3 halves x minus 1. You could factor out the 3 halves x minus 1. And then you have 3 halves x plus 1. Let me see. Actually, I think I would rather not do it that way. So the way we did it would probably be the best way for you guys to do it.